In this video, we talk about IFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, AGT, Agriculture Graduate Trainee. All we are seeing the previous my video of syllabus and book reference for upcoming 2020 exam. If you are not seeing the video, I am giving in description. Go through the link. For this video is a previous year question paper and with solution. And also we will see the strategy how much question we will expert in coming exam 2020. Okay friends, we go for the video. The phase of the examination. There will be three exam. First, preliminary online test on your own computer, and mains online test. You are at the time of application you are choosing some exam center, so you want to go and write in the particular exam center for mains exam. And third is personal interview. Okay, we go for the first question. First question: which method is used for protoplast culture? Hanging drop culture. Answer. For second question, which of the following family does the weed grass belong to? Weed grass belong to Poaceae. Third question, will help in observing the availability of cash in the business throughout the year. Cash flow statement. Actually, we can expert agri-economics questions moreover in 2020, because in 2019 also many questions are coming agri-economics. And fourth, a farmer finds that when using two given input resources to obtain a given amount of product, any decrease in the amount of one input unit lead to increased use of other input unit. Which of the following option best describe the input resources? You want to think and you want to give the perfect answer. The IFCO will expect this type of question in 2020 also. The answer for the question is perfect complements. And fifth question, which mouth part in the insect is initially used to suck the liquid and break down the food into subgroup? The answer for the question is sponging. Actually, it's an entomology question. And sixth question, which crop has harmful effect on increase relative humidity? That is maize crop. Seventh question, which of the following option indicate the use of cash flow budget? Also, it's also agri-economic question. The answer for the question is calculate business equity. Eighth question, which of the following is a seasonal pest? Rice stem borer, entomology question. And ninth question, which of the following is a microeconomics concerned with microeconomics? That will be a macro and micro. They are asking microeconomics, consumer behavior. It's also economic session. Which of the following is called an inductive method in the economy investigation? Analytical. So friends, we want to read economy, agri-economy and common economic. I am giving in reference book. You can go through that book. It's enough for preparing economic session. And 11th, the soil in which the pores are interconnected and irregular in size and shape is spongy. Soil science. The 12th question, consider the planting distance of sapota crop is 8 into 8 meter. Calculate the number of tree per hectare by using the square system. Actually, this is a calculation. 156, the right answer. 13th question, the law which expresses itself while making the other expression completely when two alleles are brought together in F1 hybrid. Law of dominance. Plant breeding question. And 15th question, an effective method to prevent nematode infestation when it is not yet present in the area. When it is not present in the area, we want to make the practice of quarantine. Quarantine is the good example for this question. And 16, sunflower and buckwheat are example of. Sunflower and buckwheat are example of. The answer for the question is green leaf non-legume manure. Green leaf non-legume manure. Actually, it's not a manure, legume manure. So, green leaf non-legume manure. 17th question, which of the following is required for long-term sustainable agriculture extension system? Sustainable agriculture extension system, public funding, long-term. Okay. 18th question, which type of method is used for generating and storing the energy by burying the wood or garbage in the absence of oxygen? Anaerobic digestion. 19th question is the apex body in India for research and education pertaining to agriculture. Apex body, it's a national level. They are asking, so Indian Council of Agriculture Research is the right answer. 20th question, production of coffee powder from coffee seed is an example of farm utility. 21st question, the condition where the plant is unable to produce a zygote with its own pollen is called as genetic incompatibility. Breeding question. On 22, dash is called the sensitive, light sensitive part of Ommatidium, pigment cells. 23 question, which one of the following is an example of restorative crops? Legumes. 24. 25th question, which of the following assets the insurance cannot be covered? Actually, it's a economic session. That's which of the following assets the insurance cannot be covered? That will be right answer is manpower. 26, which of the following is not a parasite? It's not a parasite. Read the question. Not a parasite, so arthropods. Which one of the following is an example of concentrate organic manure? Concentrate organic manure, oil cake. There will be a difference of two, bulky organic manure and concentrate organic manure. Example of, they are asking concentrate organic manure. So the right answer is oil cake. Another farmyard manure, green manure, compost or bulky organic manure. On 28, which of the following plant bear the true flower with stamens, pistils, or both with seed containing an embryo? Gymnosperm. 29. Name the winter annual wheat from the following. Chinnapodium album. 30. Which can help a producer in determining how much of product is required the produce? Actually, it's also agri-economics. Factor product relationship is the right answer. On 31st question, which one of the size reducer equipment accept feed particles less than 6 mm to get the output of definite shape and size? Ultra fine grinder. Farm machinery. Will help 32 question, will help an agri business owner to decide the cost of selling his business to prospective buyers. Turnover. Actually, it's also agri economics. 33. What is the liquid used in cryopreservation? Cryopreservation technique. That is liquid nitrogen for cryopreservation technique. 34. The earthworm that is considered as surface dwellers live near the soil surface is called as endogenic. Endogenic, the earthworm that considered as a surface dweller live near the soil surface is called as endogenic. 35th question, in TA plasmid is responsible for virulence? Region D. 36th question, which two different species belonging to the same genus produce? Lycopersicum hirsutum and in Lycopersicum esculentum. 37th question, which survey technique is easy and accurate to prepare survey plan on small scale? Chain survey. 38th question, which of the following is the source of agro industry organic waste? Organic waste, crop residue. 39th question, which one of the following is a micronutrient in the soil? Micronutrient, ion. 40, family of jute is Tillaceae. So we must read all the family of every crop. Tillaceae. 41, body and wing covered by overlapping scales found in order. Lepidopetra. 42nd, ICRI sat is located in Hyderabad. Semi-arid tropics. 43rd question, biggest fertilizer cooperative in India is IFFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. So this question also we can expect. 44, main institution for agriculture research and education in India is definitely ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. 45. Which fertilizer is mainly manufactured in India? We want to know which fertilizer is mainly manufactured in India. It's a urea. 46. Total stem parasite weed on onion is. Total stem parasite weed of onion is Cascata chinensis. Actually, they will not give any image. Just for identification, I'm giving. I'm uploading the image. 47. The 15 percentage of the 15 percentage more trees could be accommodated in the hexagonal system. This type of planting, there will be 15 percentage more trees could be accommodated in that type of system. Hexagonal system is the right answer. 48. With reference the principle of economics as applied to agriculture, when marginal product increase, average product also increase. 49. Under microeconomics study of price theory. 50. Concept of crystallized labor is given by Karl Marx. Economy. On 51. National income generated by agriculture is calculated by using output method. It's also economy. 52. Income effort is stronger than substitution effort for given goods. If you are strong in economics, you will attend every question like this type of questions. On 53, when total product remain constant, the marginal product will be 0. 54. Chemical formula of gypsum. Calcium sulfate 2H2O. CaSO4 2H2O. 55. Plant food manufactured by the process of photosynthesis in the presence of nutrient chlorophyll is magnesium. 56. During germination, radicle and plumule develop from embryo. 57. In our country, word apex means which type of institution? National level. Before I also they are mentioning apex. In the ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture, we are seeing that apex means national level. 58. Seed work board is required for blending of seeds. 59. The use of tensiometer is confined up to metric potential of minus 0.8 bar. 60. Organic carbon is measured of available nitrogen in soil. 61. Dash of different organism to the environment, rhythm of light and darkness is called as photoperiodism. 62. Which of the following is not belong to the post-harvest handling of seed crop? Read again. Which of the following not belong to the post-harvest handling of seed crop? That is right answer is seed selection. Post-harvest handling of seed crop. If you are thinking, you will give the answer easily. 63. Best method to handle nematode infestation into new area is chemical control. 64. Which one is non-PCR based molecular marker? Non-PCR polymerase chain reaction, non-polymerase chain reaction based molecular marker, that is RFLP. The abbreviation for that, restriction fragment length polymorphism. Restriction fragment length polymorphism. The image. 65. Who write the book I Too Had a Dream? Verghese Kurian. Actually, we want to read about the books and authors. They definitely ask one question in every year, so we can expert in 2020 also the books and author, famous books and authors. We want to read that. I Too Had a Dream, Verghese Kurian. And also we want to say the milk revolution, also Verghese Kurian. All we know. 66. Which of the following gas present in the biogas has combustion value of 0 to 1%? Hydrogen. 67. Seed treatment with chemical. Plant selection. 68. Term mitosis is coined by William Fleming. W. Fleming. 69. Which one of the following is not the principle of farm finance? Caliber. So we want to understand the agri-economics properly. 17th question. Which one of the following material is widely used for coating in iron on steel pipes to avoid corrosion? Paints and resins. 71. Which one of the following is used in organic farming to prevent weed germination and growth? wheat germination and growth for organic farming method. So the right answer is mulching. These are the crops. Which of the following disease is not caused by polluted water and unsanitary condition? Hepatitis. Hepatitis is the inflammation in liver. So they are asking the question, which of the following disease is not caused by polluted water and unsanitary condition? So the right answer is hepatitis. Another three options are caused by polluted water and unsanitary condition. Okay, 73rd. What is the purpose of instrument tintometer? Measure the color in the water. 74. Syngamy result in the formation of which zygote? Diploid. 74. 75. Plant parasitic nematode fed on the plants its roots. Plant parasitic nematode fed on the plants of roots. 76. What happens when an excess amount of nitrogen fertilizer is introduced in the soil ecosystem? If you are using a excess amount of nitrogen fertilizer, what happen? Introduced in the soil ecosystem. Microbial activity. 77. Which of the following program was launched in India to introduce reform in public sector extension system in the late 90s? NARS, National Agriculture Research System. On 78, somatic embryo generate plant called as clone. 79, which chromosome model was proposed by Du Pro on the basis of observation made on human chromosome? Folded fiber. 80th question, which of the following is not a type of manure collecting method? Which of the following is not a type of manure collecting method? Dry earth system is the right option. 81 is a very simple question. Everyone will answer. What does FIM? Farmyard manure. 82. Which measure should be implemented to prevent increasing pest population reaching ETL? Reaching ETL means economy. Reaching ETL means economy threshold level. Answer is damage boundary. 83. Which statement is true regarding the exchangeable acidity in the soil chemistry? Exchangeable acidity. The right answer is exchangeable acidity is derived from exchangeable aluminum 3 plus cation. 84. Dash is the nematode that causes the blackhead disease in banana crop. Rhodopholis similis. The image. 85. PDM 11 is a variety of mung. So we want to understand the varieties in every crops. You want to breed the varieties. They will definitely ask one question from that. 86. The tillage that is done immediately after crop harvesting to remove the weed and to restore soil structure is stubbles. We can easily give the answer for this question. The tillage that is done immediately after crop harvesting to remove the weeds and to restore the soil structure is stubble. The value of elasticity of demand in perfect inelastic demand is 0. It's a agri-economics question. Who is appointed as the chairperson of ATMA governing body? Agriculture Technology Management Agency. A district magistrate is the right answer. Okay friends, that's a 88 question or asking in previous year 2019 exam. We can expert what are the question we will expert in this 2020 upcoming exam means. Definitely agri economics, they will play a major role in 2020 exam. I will upload another video for the what are the questions we can expert model question for 2020. I will upload in another video. Kindly watch my video. I will give the update and subscribe my video. And friends, for 2020 we can definitely expert from fertilizer management, and also for agri economics is definitely we want to read, and field crops is more important. You are seeing the varieties and also on families. So field crops is very important in agronomy practice. So these questions are very important. In another video, I will upload the model question paper of 2020 and expected questions, maximum expected question in my next video. So kindly watch my video and thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe my video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.